Vaya, vaya, Tacubaya. Si no sabe, es mejor ni vaya. Ya, ya, la muñeca fea. Hola, ¿qué tal mis amigos? What's going on, my friends? It's a beautiful sunny day outside today. This week, I'm going to be back in the studio, working on my art and telling some stories. So come along, hang out with me. Let's see where this thing goes. I'm going to start off with a little breakfast. Yo voy a ir a disfrutar un plato de avena esta mañana. I'm going to enjoy a good bowl of oatmeal for breakfast this morning. When I first moved to the city 3.5 years ago, my friend, she told me about this water. She said it was called El Agua Ligera, the light water. She said, that's ridiculous. How can a water be light? So lately I've just been drinking Scarch. It's just a good basic water that they sell here in the city and across Mexico. And I like the design, the colors, Tropicalismo, pink and blue. Let's add some coconut oil and honey. Provecho. Wow, that was super yummy. I want to make some progress on this one today. Figure out what kind of tattoos can go on the figures. I'll take a look at my journal, see what comes up. Here's some sketches. Chale, the barbed wire I used in the last one. Icatepunk. Cuando yo voy al chavo en el mercado para un corte, siempre le dijo, solo corta un poco alto. Pero siempre él toma la mitad de mi pelo. I took a break to go to the mercado and get my hair cut. What do you think? He does a great job, but sometimes he takes a little more off than I would like. But hey, you know what? It will grow out again. Anyway, let's get back into the studio. Do you remember my water bottle? Well, I've been collecting them, and I think they would make great forms for placing my collage images on their surfaces. So that's one of the things I'm going to experiment with today. These are my images. This one is the poster that was out on the street when I first came to Mexico during the pandemic last year. Stay at home. Wow, it's been almost a year of staying at home now. I was walking by this new apartment construction in my neighborhood one evening, and there was this fire blazing right in front of the promotional advertising. These images are from a photo shoot that I did about 3 years ago. Okay, this is the part that feels a little sketchy to me. I'm not 100% sure that it's gonna work, but let's give it a try. It didn't do everything I expected. I'd say around 75%. But that's not too bad when you're dealing with chance and random probabilities. So that's where we're at today. I finished a new piece and learned a technique I can take forward as my work develops. So hey, don't be afraid to try something new. That's how we learn and grow. If you enjoyed my video today, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear your feedback. And have a great week. From Mexico City to you. Te amo.